how to use the Zoom controller Speak on
Camera.
Touch on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen and then tap on Settings. Now in Settings, make sure you go back to the main settings page. In here, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then tap on Zoom. Next, tap on Zoom Controller. In here, go down and either choose single, double, or triple tap. And from here, you want to select Speak on Touch. So I have assigned Speak on Touch to a triple tap. After that, you can go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And whenever you would like to use the Speak on Touch from the Zoom controller, you can triple tap on the Zoom controller icon. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, and that will change the icon to a hand shape, hand pointing. So here, if I tap on WhatsApp, it will speak out the name of the app.
WhatsApp. Search page 2 of 5.
And that's it. So that is how you can use that feature. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.